Stop wasting time searching through hundreds of channels you never watch. Here is how to build your perfect Sling TV guide in 3 simple steps. Customizing your interface is the key to a better streaming experience. Let's dive in. Step 1 is the favorites system. This is the fastest way to bypass the clutter and focus on what you love. Navigate to any channel in your guide and select the heart icon. This instantly flags the channel for your curated list. Once flagged, use the favorites filter at the top of the grid to hide everything else. Your guide is now limited to only your top tier content. Step 2 is all about organization. Even within your favorites, sorting is vital for speed. Open guide options to sort your channels alphabetically or filter by genre like sports or news to find exactly what's live right now. To really clean things up, go to your settings and toggle hide free channels. This removes the ad supported filler and keeps the grid focused on your paid subscription. Step 3 is the ultimate power user move, integrating your local broadcast channels for an all-in-one experience. By connecting an Air TV and an HD antenna, you can pull in local channels like ABC, NBC, and Fox for free. The best part, they appear directly in your Sling grid alongside cable networks, meaning you never have to switch inputs again. Here's a pro tip for sports fans. Use the recent filter to jump between games in seconds. The recent tab automatically groups your most watched channels, creating a dynamic shortcut list that updates as you watch. A customized guide saves you time and makes streaming feel like a premium experience tailored specifically to your household. For more high-value tech tutorials that save you time, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'll see you in the next one.